slime. So it's made from water. How you push to do it is slime bath. My mom told me it's supposed to be slime, and you push to always try to do it. You push the how to do the slime. So much fun with. How to get in the bath? And you put it in the bathtub, and then you do it. You put it in the bath, and then fill the water up in it, and then you can hop in and then do it. Play with it. It's a good slime bath, and usually the box is empty, so we will try to find what's inside there. So let's open it. How to open it? You do. We just get it like that. Take some out, and you do it. Go. I can't take it out really. It's a bit scary. I'll take a minute. Slime bath. See that? It's slime. So let's sew it up. You'll push it up. Push this button.
No, they can't see. That's the camera, Lily.
And this is a pot. So you do is just open it up. What you see is the with nuts in. You put it inside and you hook it away, and it will go really good. I wish you see here it's slime and a cool bath, and you like it, guys. So now let's just put it in here. Oh my gosh. So this can't fit in the box. Try putting it in, but I can't get it to you do is you try to so it's instructions. What you do is, you guys will see. I want to show to you. Alright, he's come off swimming. The camera was sewing it. So once you guys, you should get it. Oh yeah. You're supposed to get these like this. It's supposed to be like this. So you're supposed to do is get the box, the box, and then you're supposed to walk this around the box, and then you're supposed to put outside like this on the box. And it's really good. Once a week, you'll try to find these at Target or come. They're really good and they can make you feel that moving. They can be even in match. You can just do like a small match or a match. Or you can do a bigger match like this. You can do this much matter. You don't know what you do. You can do to your choice and see what you want. They're really good math. You should try them. Even we can try them. My mom is trying to get my daisy.
Sorry.
That's okay. She's up your hair. My baby always likes to get up. There we go. We will, I will just try to get those. And we will check our bike. Those are what we are trying to do in the 50 times ago. And yeah, they'll go up link. And show you guys how I work. I work the beautifulness in the world. And come and see myself in the make. Come on, guys. Come and see myself. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, my beauty day. Pull up in the waves. Come on, mama. Hey. I'm so sexy. Mama. Put the So I want you. It's so much fun here, and we are having a dance party with Gay. Nana says, I'm a guy with the to hey, yeah. Eventually we will try to get a winter coat. But let's go. Hey, yeah. What's up? Coming up. Go away. So wintry slime is not doing it, and eventually slime is done 50 toward a 10. So you'll see this slime back at Kmart. You see this slime at Kmart and we get up. And Target, you will see this at Target, the wee bits up, and at Exxon. And these are October beautiful make. So I want to eat the lady. Go! Say a happy face to everyone. Say a happy face.
Say who she is.
She name is Arena. She's my baby sister. She's still water baby. She's not big one. What's wrong? What is it? She just cried. I don't know why. She's still a baby now, so. So my baby's a little bit sleepy because she slept already, but she's still sleepy because she didn't have sleep because she's supposed to have 1 hour sleep, but she does not always have it. Sometimes she does have it when I'm in school. I'm not really in school, but one time I went to school. This too thing. When my baby turns 1. I will be going to school every day, but now we're just going to one day. We got my school uniform, but we just got the hood. But that's okay. It's much fun. You can get these slimes at the program. They're really good on slime. Project. What's Ciara's YouTube channel and what's Jackie's YouTube channel. My name is Ciara Jackie. My name is Ciara and my name is Jackie. I know all about things. I need to do some things. Oh, bye bye, guys.
Press the red button.
Bye bye.